see how this works.
It's just ice.
Huh?
Just ice. Mother, what are you doing?
Come back down the hill, Harlan. Don't go up. Let me see you, Har. Let me get you on that dirt bike instead of this little thing, girl. Back in the back. Oh, Josie hurt her foot. Kaya, leave her alone. Joe, what'd you do to your foot?
Daddy!
Want me to turn around?
Daddy, this is the ice cream.
Ow!
Get off my tarp! Get off my tarp!
Oh, what's on the tarp? Got some kind of contraption? Hey.
I measured the snow from last night.
Oh.
Here, give me a big one on you.
Ow! Okay, thank you.
That's how much it came last night.
Let us know. Goofy?
Dad, this is all snowed through here. You can't get it off.
Oh,
Cut it.
you got it? You're gonna break that too.
Dad, let's try to show him. How.
The Kaya, where's your ball? It's probably frozen. Where'd Josie go?
This is a vanilla.
Kaya and her famous
Dang!
ball.
Okay, let's go right here. In the middle.
Okay.
This bolt.
Hey, we gotta save the snow.
What's under? More snow.